I'm sure by now you have heard of Bitcoin, but have you ever wondered how can you start trading as a complete beginner? Well, say less, because in this video we are going to talk about on how you can start trading crypto as a complete beginner. I am going to show you everything that you must do in order to start as a complete beginner when it comes to crypto. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. First things first, let's talk about what is crypto and how does it work. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone, anywhere to send and receive payments. And how does cryptocurrency works? Cryptocurrency run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. And you may ask how you are going to earn money with crypto. It is by trading. So, cryptocurrency trading is the buying and selling of cryptocurrency on an exchange. You can trade cryptos by speculating on their price movements via CFDs, contracts, and difference. So there are a lot of ins and outs when it comes to trading, but I'm going to show you on how you can get into this. So make sure to watch the entire video. So for our first step, we want to go ahead and look for the best crypto exchanges out there. So there are things like security and regulation, reputation and the track record, supported crypto assets, liquidity, user interface and experience, fees and charge, and more. But in this video, I'm going to tell you about Binance.com, but you can also go ahead and use something like Crypto, Kraken, Coinbase, Bybit, and more. But in this video, we are going to talk about specifically on Binance.com. You want to head over to their website and it will go ahead and look something like this. Once inside, you want to go ahead and sign up an account by clicking on the sign up button. The first thing that you want to go ahead now, after logging in, it will take you to this page right here. The first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to verify your account, and in that way, you will be able to fund your wallet. Right after, you want to proceed to the buy crypto category by clicking on the buy crypto right beside the Binance logo. And it will take you to this page. As you can see, Binance supports Visa, MasterCard, and all of the logos that they have right here. They have cryptocurrencies like BNB, BTC, ETH, Pepecoin, and more. They basically got every major coins right here and some altcoins and meme coins. To proceed, you can then go ahead and buy and sell cryptocurrency by clicking on the buy section and also the sell section. So you can just go ahead and type out the amount of your currency inside right here. You also have the receive information, and lastly you have your payment method. They have a lot of payment methods right here that you can go ahead and choose from. So that is one way on how you can go ahead and purchase your cryptocurrency. Second is by heading over to the market section. And inside market, we are going to trade some cryptocurrency. For example, we have things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, US Coin, Ripple, Dogecoin, and basically everything that they have right here. Right after choosing the coin that you want to trade, you want to navigate through the action category, and from there you will be able to see the trade button. You want to click on it. Now inside this page, this is where we can go ahead and trade our cryptocurrency. If you scroll down, you will be able to see two buttons. You have your buy BTC and you have your sell BTC. Basically, you want to go ahead and buy BTC when the prices are low, and when they climb up, you want to go ahead and sell them in order to earn that profit. Meanwhile, for the sell one, you want to sell at the higher prices and you want to buy at the lower prices. So basically, that's all you can go ahead and do right here. You have to go ahead and review the charts, and right after, you can now go ahead and initiate your trade by clicking on the buy or sell BTC. So guys, that is the way on how you can get started with crypto even as a complete beginner. Of course, there are a lot of topics to discuss before you master the art of crypto, but basically this is how you can go ahead and get started. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.